Driver's License Road Test. 2026, Complete Guide the Road Test. 20 to 40 minutes of driving. Most state road tests are 20 to 40 minutes. The examiner rides with you and grades on a checklist. You fail for safety violations or by accumulating too many minor points. Bring your permit, a roadworthy vehicle, current insurance, and registration. Maneuvers tested. Starting from a stop/pulling out from curb. Lane changes with proper signaling and mirror checks. Stopping at stop signs, complete stop, behind line. Turns at intersections, proper lane, signal, position. Parallel parking or three-point turn, varies by state. Backing in a straight line for 50 feet. Parking on a hill, curb will position, how scoring works. Auto-fail versus points. Auto-fail behaviors, any accident, running a stop sign or red light, dangerous lane change, driving above speed limit by 10+. Minor errors lose points, too many points equals fail. Knowing which mistakes auto-fail focuses your practice. Most common failure reasons. Not coming to a complete stop at stop signs, rolling stops. Failing to check mirrors and blind spots before lane changes. Driving too slowly, yes, this fails, be confident at the limit. Not yielding right-of-way at intersections. Practice with a licensed driver for 20+ hours, focus on common fails equals first try pass.